Hi guys, today we're going to be making a quick one pot soft chicken pepper soup today. So let's get right into the video. So for this recipe I'm going to be using some soft chicken, and this is a full soft chicken. So I'm just going to cut this into my preferred sizes, season it, and I will cook for a little bit. Since it's soft chicken, I most likely will not cook for long. So I have some chopped onions already. I'm just going to add my chicken into the pot after cutting them into my preferred sizes. I will add my onion as well, and I will season with some seasoning cubes. And yeah, I'm just going to slightly season it and let it cook for about 10 minutes before I add my other ingredients. I added some salt to it and some seasoning powder as well. So here I already have my chopped yam, and if you have some plantain, unripe or ripe plantain, you can add to it. I have my scent leaves here, freshly plucked scent leaf, which I'm going to chop into slices, and I have my pepper soup mix here. So I'm just going to, my meat has been cooking for about 10 minutes now. Just throw in the yam. Yes, the meat is raw, but it's soft chicken, so it cooks really fast, and I don't like my meat being too soft. So I will just add the yam so that both the yam and the chicken can cook together. So I will add that. I will add some cray fish, some pepper flakes. I'm going to add some Scotch bonnet pepper as well, and I will let that cook. So this is a one pot cook recipe. So I'm just going to add my pepper flakes, and I will throw in some cray fish and some Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm adding some dry fish as well to my chicken pepper soup, just because I like the extra fish to it. So I'm going to add my pepper soup spice as well. So I'm adding everything at once, like I said before, because I'm using soft chicken, and soft chicken cooks in less than 30 minutes. So I'm just going to stir this, and I'll cover it and let it cook. There's no serere, nothing, no extra. Just let my pepper soup get ready. So once it's ready to a point, I will still add some extra crayfish, because with pepper soup, crayfish is a must. Is almost ready. I will now add my scent leaves. I've already chopped it, and I will let the pepper soup cook for a bit before I serve. And you know, now it's raining season, so pepper soup is necessary. We're in the Ember month, and yeah, everywhere is already cold here in Lagos. So let's get our pepper soup ready. This is our pepper soup, guys. It is ready to serve and to eat. You can eat it with whatever you want, with your rice, with your bread. You can eat it on its own. Anyhow you want to enjoy your pepper soup, just enjoy it. I prefer enjoying mine just with the water and the chicken and all. That is it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends and family. Until I see you in my next one. Bye guys.